Balance.
Three quarters inside.
Inside the magnet.
3/4 of this coil should be inside the magnet. Then a quarter, the remaining quarter, should be outside. It's about now this is a mixture of two tubes called erlectronics. Erlectronics helps me to fix the diaphragm, the spider rather, on the coil. And it is supposed to dry within 5 minutes. So I need to do so softly such that it doesn't dry before fixing. This is why I'm so speedy. More than I should have been.
Lwaki okozesa teeth brush?
Enyamba eri soft ku gum naye